week. This boat operates from 10 o'clock every day in the morning till 5:30 afternoon. And you can see that inside the boat, their sitting is quite good. They have very good way of sitting arrangement. Sitting arrangement is good. One you buy a ticket for 24 hours. Cost you 20 euros according to today's date. Today is 27th of October 2024. 24 hours single pass, 20 euros only, and it operates everywhere in Stockholm. It has different stops. After every 6-7 minutes they will have a stop where you can get your drop and start roaming around the cities, and then you go to the dock again and board the same company boat and travel to the remaining places. You can see that it looks so amazing, and nature is something which always intact with us, with human beings, because we are also born in the nature. We were born in the nature, and till the last breath of ours, we have to stay intact with it. Roaming around in the canals of Stockholm is quite really amazing, and as we can see, there is a place, and it looks like, let's see, let's get a little bit closer view of it. All right, I got it. It looks like a fun place. Fun place for kids. They have some merry-go-round also, some good toys. Next to it, there is a castle which I can see with a Swedish flag on it. Yeah, and also one more thing, they have the option of headphones. They'll give you headphones, and there are 14 different kind of audio guides, which starts with English and end with Israeli language, the Hebrew. They have options: English, German, French, Spanish. This one is Italian, Russian, Chinese, Finnish, Swedish, of course, Korean, Arabic. This one looks like, well, this is a new sign for me. I don't know what is this sign all about. Could be possible it's Bulgarian, but I'm not sure. Here we have Indian language, that was probably Hindi, and then Jewish, the Hebrew language, my bad. Well, Hebrew also comes with different kind of classifications. If we talk about the real Hebrews, then we find them in the state of Israel. But if we talk about the classification, then we also have Yiddish. Yiddish is a kind of language that was started the moment a slice of the Jewish people got settled down in the Europe, and they started their own tradition of language, which is a mix of Jewish and Russian and some German dialects. Likewise, you will get in Spain as well, which is known as, there is a language I'm trying to remember how was it names. I'm trying to recall how to call that language. Ladino is a language that the Latin Americans or South American Jewish people are using. It's known as Ladino, Ladino. It is a form of Hebrew and Spanish, a mix of Spanish, Hebrew, and Portuguese. It's known as Ladino. So we are going to another stop. And we take a close picture Oh, isn't it amazing? $20 really good.